Hello guys, it's Iron Mohan here again with my second YouTube video. And as promised, from now on, I'll be teaching y'all how to make your own action figure. Now in today's video, I'll only be teaching y'all how to make the thigh joint. So without much ado, let's get started. So for today's video, y'all will need paper tape, some super glue, some thin cardboard. Yeah, should be thin. Some toothpicks, a wire cutter, some jewelry findings, thread, scissors, and a plier. Alright, now since y'all have all these, let's get started. So first, what I'll want y'all to do is just tear a strip of paper tape of any length. Now, I want y'all to coil it in such a way that the outer part of the tape is sticky. So watch, this is the sticky part and this is the non-sticky part. So just like this, coil it. Uh, just like that, right? So you're sticky, non-sticky inside. Now take a toothpick, yeah, and just coil it around the toothpick like so. Just like that. Yeah. Now I want this to be a little bigger, so I'm going to just tear another strip of this length and do the same thing. So watch, you could not recognize it the first time. Just like that. Sticky part on the outside, non sticky part on the inside. Right there. Just do the same thing. And yeah, that's good enough. Repeat the same thing again. Tear a strip, coil it, coil it around the toothpick like that. Now I'm doing this because I want both of these discs to be the same length. That's there. It's a little small, so I'm going to do the same thing what I did with the first one. Like that, and coil it again. And slightly more. Yeah, there. Now I want you all to remove this toothpick from here and there. The two discs. So these will help the legs to hinge out. Now to make them move in front, we'll need some thin cardboard. So here. Now just take a small piece of that, cut it with a scissor. Now if you all are small children, please be careful with these scissors. Right there. Alright. Thin cardboard piece. Now I want all to take super glue right there and just add a little bit, a small line of it like that. And then take one of these and just stick them there, like so. Now to make the bonding section much stronger, just add a little more super glue. That. Now I want y'all to fill the hole right there with super glue and also add some around it, just like that. Do the same for the other one. There. Now just leave this to dry for some time. Now what I'll want y'all to do is, I'll just keep this aside. Take two toothpicks, right there, them there, and two pins or jewelry findings. There, one and another one. Yeah. I want her to take a small piece of tape, just like that, tear it off. Now, as you can see the whole of the jewelry finding here. Now just take this tape and just coil it around the jewelry finding, just like that, and see that the hole is covered, right, just like that, right there. Now I could not find a pin. Yeah, I know, seriously not a pin. So I found a broken scissor with me, so I'm just going to use this. Now what I want to do is make a hole where the hole was there earlier on the jewelry finding. So just pierce this through that, through the tape, just like that. Now be careful, I don't want to keep your fingers here, catch it here and then push it in. Alright, be careful. Alright, and take a toothpick like that and just pass it through it. Be careful now, because the toothpick may pinch you, or pinch or may poke you. Just put that in. Just like so, a little more. Yeah, that's enough. Right there. Now take super glue again. Yeah, put it and put some on top here. Put some here down. See that I put enough, just the right amount. Right there. There. Yeah, that's it. I'm going to leave this to dry. The side. Do the same for the other one. That's enough. Do the same thing. Add super glue. There. Leave it to dry. Now, if you have all done this, well, halfway through, good job, guys. Alright, now I'll wait till they dry and I'll see you later. Alright, guys, I'm back. Now, the super glue has dried, right there. So now I want y'all to take the scissors. I want y'all to cut a circle like this around this. So let me show you how to do it. Now you don't need to measure anything, just cut it. Just like that. Do the same thing for the other one. To make sure that both the circles are the same, just take them like that. Now as you can see, this one is really big. Just cut that. Just like that. Now check everything. Alright. Yep. There. So now this will help it rotate. That and hinge out. So now what I want all to do is the same thing that we did earlier. Take a strip of tape, cut it, call it the other way around. Sticky part on the outside, now sticky part on the inside. So do that. But now we'll be doing something different. Take another piece of tape, maybe till there. Yep, cut it. Now just like this, stick it on this and just stick it. Now here the non-sticky part is on the outside. So we have half of it with the non-sticky part on the outside, sticky part on the outside. I want her to take this, just like this, catch them like this. Now take the non-sticky part, just wrap it around this, just like so. And see that it's a tight fit, because I don't want your figure's thighs to be loose. Right there. So I'm going to take a thin piece. Alright, just one more piece. Alright, let's continue. The joint is a little tight, just made it a little loose. So now both function properly. All I had to do was just move it like this. So that happens to you all, just continuously move it. Yeah. So okay, there. Now what I want you all to do is take a piece of jewelry, finding again a pin of that. Yeah. Do the same thing what we did earlier to it. Cover it with tape. Just like that. Then again Be careful while doing this. Just hold like that. Now pass it through one of these. Be careful while doing this. Many times I've broken the joint while doing this, so I'm being really very slow here. Just bear with me. Right there. Fine. That's done. Does it move? Yes, it does. And it does turn too. So that's great. Do the same thing on the other side. Now, just to save time, I already made one like that. Tape. Pass it through that again. Got to be careful. And okay. Now I wanted to cut this part of the toothpick and this. I just hinge it out a bit. There. There. And there. There. That's it. Done. Now just add Fevikwik over here or super glue. Uh, just a bit. Not too much. And there. Done. Joint's ready. This is a thigh joint. If you have done this, good job guys. This is the toughest part of the figure. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next part now, where I'll be teaching you all how to make the lower torso with this. Alright guys, bye.